Welcome back to DRX Automobi. Today, we are looking at the most compelling challenger in the compact SUV segment. A vehicle aiming to be the most tempting SUV priced under $35,000. AUD, the 2026 Chery Tiggo 4. The Tiggo 4, especially in its hybrid ultimate variant, is a bold statement that true value should never necessitate a compromise on technology. Aesthetically modern and aggressive, its main appeal lies beneath the bonnet, where the hybrid powertrain delivers an impressive combined output of 150 kilowatts of power and 310 newton-meters of torque. Figures you would typically only find in much higher price brackets. Stepping inside, you are immediately met with a surprisingly premium cabin feel, thanks to the sophisticated digital cockpit layout dominated by twin 10.25-inch screens, one for the digital cluster and one for the infotainment, alongside standard high-end amenities like a sunroof, leatherette seating, and a wireless charger. Chery has not skimped on safety either. The car comes equipped standard with 7 airbags across the line, demonstrating a commitment to safety comparable to its mainstream rivals. The overwhelming strength of the Tiggo 4 lies in its sheer value proposition. It provides an abundance of features and technology that significantly outweighs the offerings of similarly priced competitors in its class, making it a difficult choice for savvy buyers to ignore. For practicality, its large boot capacity of 470 liters is a solid figure for this segment. However, there are some trade-offs to acknowledge. The soft suspension, tuned for comfort, means the ride can feel slightly unsettled or less composed when tackling rougher, undulating roads at speed. And while the hybrid fuel consumption claim of sub 4.0 liters per 100 kilometers is ambitious, real-world usage figures may settle slightly above that. Nevertheless, the 2026 Chery Tiggo 4 is a game-changer that demands serious consideration. It offers an almost unbeatable blend of power, features, and price, proving that luxury and technology do not have to break the bank. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRX Automobi for more in-depth reviews.